Well, wow, we see a name from one of them as well, you know. Yes, and it's coming from Daughters of Esther.
Daughters from Esther?
Yeah.
Well, alright, so it's soak.
Well, from the roof.
Yes, that rain of all this morning here, so wet. So that drop this up. No. So we have to set one pan right there, so that if we're not there, rainfall.
So we always have to update the viewers them. So this is where Donna is living. This is Donna's room right here. Now as you can see, the condition of how Donna is living. So this is her room, different from the kids' room, which is over here. You know, because you know we always have to update on your situation, why we're building this place for you, you know, and help from the extended family. You know, so this is the reason why, and this is Donna's situation. So apparently this is the kids' room. And you have the light in there?
No light in there.
Oh, you're not putting a light in there?
Light in there, but the socket.
Daughter of Esther, may the good Lord bless you and keep you safe. Love you, daughter of Esther.
Yeah, not Esther, Jacket.
Not Kino.
That's of mine. That's of mine.
You look yourself straight.
On that
All of the
jacket.
extended family them across the world.
Yeah.
Love goes out here.
Every time. We have the own living hero. Oh, the roll, they get a toilet paper and we go for the toilet. As a roll in, overstand. So we have a donation for you as well too. From the other day, from Dr. K, from the Wow Chef place, New York. So we have $5,000 a year for you. From Dr. K, from New York.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Give thanks to Daughters of Esther from the US for this barrel we are about to run through. You know, so blessed love so much, you know. Thank you so much again for the support for the people in Trenchtown, you know, Daughters of Esther. That way. Yeah, the team get a donation from Mike and Andrea from Canada the other day where everyone get $1,000 each. You know, he was in here. So this is your $1,000 from Mike and Andrea, you know, from Canada.
Mike and Andrea from Canada. World for love, world for respect, you know. God bless you and bless me all. And bless my whole team member. One extended family, one blessed, one team, GP.
So today now, we are running through them 2 barrels today. Yeah, and we have this barrel from Daughters of Esther. And are you Esther? The person who sent the barrels. Yeah, so it's Daughters of Esther, but not this Esther. You know, but the Daughters of Esther.
Daughter of Esther, may the good Lord bless you and keep you safe. I love you, daughter of Esther.
Yeah, not the Esther, Esther Jackie.
Not Kino.
Daughter of mine. A daughter of mine.
You love yourself straight.
On that
All of my
Jackie.
extended family them across the world.
Yeah,
Love goes out here.
every time.
Right.
Daughters of Esther. We have Chicken Lady, Fire, the red like fire. And Esther in an ear competition. Colors competition.
Yes.
You know, some people them barrel we are run through today. It's from Daughters of Esther. Not the Esther there. Daughters of Esther.
Daughters of Esther.
Yeah.
How much people Esther?
Let me tell you.
Esther.
Esther.
Why you never know my niece them?
You don't know them today.
Okay. Alright, blessings, Daughters of Esther. Thank you very much. Welcome to the extended family. One love. Dream team.
One team. So it's Daughters of Esther.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah is here. And we have Stacy. Evening, Stacy.
The place look good.
Yeah.
And the plate look good. It's bright. Yeah, I love the color paint.
Yeah.
Big up the dream team. Big up the Donna them.
Extended family there.
Big up Auntie Little. And the style look nice.
So them a shock out.
Yeah, man.
Things that happen to them, right? Seriously?
Yeah.
Things
Yeah,
that
we can make it work in a tradition. We can make it work in a tradition. Kino can make it work.
in a tradition.
So, the dream leaders can make it
Work
work.
in a tradition.
Liquor can make it work. Carl can make it work.
Oh man, so we have Daughters of Esther. Today we are running through these barrels. We have here from the Daughters of Esther. So you know we got things in here as well too for JJ Book and Ball. And there's also things in there for the members then. So she said everything already got names. So the job will definitely be much easier for us. So we'll have to figure out who to get and who to this. So don't worry, stay tuned. Now just see what's inside. You know, so we give thanks again from Daughters of Esther from the USA. You know, so we give thanks and thank you so much, Daughters of Esther. You know, not our Esther. You know. Leila. Yeah, wow.
So we live, you know.
Wow. See there? The Angela Town big friend.
Respect bar.
Eh?
Full of people. So me have to live.
Yeah. They live
Full of
good.
people, brother. We share together.
Yeah.
But look how you deal with it smooth.
Smooth.
That's some love with bar, man, isn't it?
Alright.
Before she died, first thing when you say she done with him, Kino. Donna Kino.
That's true.
She
That's
done with
true.
him and she not nothing more to say to him or anything.
Yeah, Esther said that you ever make
Remember say Esther that you come to us now. Esther got say. Same as how yesterday was Zaire birthday. And Zaire say me and him. Now today they say man, no man, them with Jella, leave out with it. Yeah.
That's a Sam's youth.
Yeah.
A Sam's son. Sam's where you get your son?
I think that's up with Jen. Tell them.
Why you get your son Supper Jen? I mean.
Same son, if you come first, he say you they behind Bibi, but him no want fight.
Oh, Zaire.
Yes.
Why the one look at me, I love big woman. I realize I'm not reaching out when I can love big woman.
When baby house done, and him and baby are going in the house. So baby Jella know say after baby, then she. Now that him say baby.
Yeah, post looking one. Hey, anyone come and say no.
Love people, man, and that's why she buy the supplement. She say no, like
Yes, fine.
Yeah, things that go on. Also, nobody not BBD play anymore, because everybody go online.
Go to
So you don't take them and watch them, man.
take them
Yeah, man, you can go and watch them, man. Because I realize everybody go online and watch movies now. Yeah. Eh? You are going at them. And so she said most of them have names already. And JJ book and ball as well too. From Daughters of Esther. So we have some books as well to just let you know. They are meant to come from the tree. So I guess we can put the books them down.
The tree?
For down in the year, like close to December time. We can give them out.
January back to school.
Yeah, in January back to school. That's like a JJ, yeah.
JJ.
Yeah. Sam?
Yeah.
Sam still in the hospital, yeah. No info.
Should think so. I put them here. Yeah, but
Your blessings just a flow like a river. Hallelujah. When we you just came a while ago. Really big.
that's her mine.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know.
Well, so everything is sorted right here, everything is organized. Right here from Daughter of Esther. And we have to give thanks. So we're going to start off with Esther, giving thanks to our daughters.
Daughters of mine. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. You love us and keep it safe.
Yeah, so...
Our niece Esther, thank you very much. And go Father God keep you and bless you.
Jenna.
Esther, love you. May the good Lord keep you safe, Esther, darling. And may the good Lord keep you very safe and
You know.
all of my extended family across the world. May the God, good Lord bless you and keep you safe.
Yeah.
Dream team,
One team. Florida.
Dream team.
Esther, one love.
Esther.
We have chicken lady here.
Esther, thank you for everything. Big up yourself. May the Lord keep you and protect you. All of my extended family, big up on yourself.
Yeah.
Boy, Esther from childhood days, may I come. Even we have them big kids here.
Yeah.
Hey, my niece, my love you.
Yes, shit.
No, I know.
Daughters.
Big up all of my niece them. Esther and daughters, big up on yourself. Blessings, man. Blessings. Thank you very much.
Salpi.
1,000.
Daughters of Esther.
Daughter of Esther, holy for love and holy for respect. God bless you all. One team.
Dream team.
And you see, we have Psalms.
Daughters of Esther, big up yourself.
I mean, man get big now. We have Smiley from Daughters and Esther. We got these lovely gifts here and stuff here.
Daughters of Esther, thanks very much for your donation, and we all are grateful for everything that all of you donors are giving. Thank you very much.
Alright. We have light parks just rolling in, just checking. So we have these lovely stuff here from Daughters of Esther, you know? Not the Esther, you know?
But anyway, thanks to you, Esther.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have painter. We want to give thanks to Daughters of Esther for these stuffs.
Daughters of Esther, because yourself. And I love them things you do. I don't see what I get.
Alright then we have Whoa, just walking in as well. Whoa, we see a name on one of them as well, you know. Yes, and it's coming from Daughters of Esther.
Daughters from Esther.
Yeah.
My God.
And what I holy by picnic she have?
Another one there.
Yeah. She live in the US.
In the US she live?
Yeah man, she live in the US.
As I tell you, she was in Esther. Yo, Esther, big up here. No, you know? Esther daughter.
Yeah.
No love, man, you know?
Yeah.
Daughters of Esther.
There you go. Yeah. I will give thanks. Dream team? One team. Dream team. Dream team? One team. Clean team? Only real team. I want to say that we say extended. We're not either extended. All the way. So right now we are get through it. Because we can run through it and deliver what we can deliver another day, you know, like how we have time.
Yeah.
So maybe we have for Psalms as well too.
Yeah.
Where's Psalms?
Come Psalms.
Psalms, we got a bag here for you as well.
Thank you, Esther, daughter. Big up yourself,
Yeah. And we have Chip, Stacy. Come here, Stacy. Oh, Stacy, come here, Stacy.
Stacy, I get fat.
Yeah, Stacy putting on weight. So that's coming from the Daughters of Esther.
Big up yourself, Esther, daughter. God will bless you. And God cover you in the name of Jesus.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. You see where you say upon it? Hallelujah. So you know, say hallelujah, hallelujah.
Tap.
Hallelujah. You know, from when we are waiting for you say hallelujah, no him can't say it. We're still waiting. We're still waiting. No, said. Alright, so we give thanks. So who else we have there?
Angela.
We have Jella granddaughter. Jenna. Never. So let's for Jella granddaughter. You want me to hear you start up now? Move your pan your pay. Than the Esther daughter.
Oh, niece, smiling niece and smiling kids.
Oh, smiling niece.
Happy birthday, Zaire.
Oh.
And Warren Bunty, yesterday was his birthday.
Okay, yeah, Warren, to big up yourself, Warren, you know, happy belated birth. Earth strong. You know, thing goes out. That is from the Esther.
Esther,
Daughters.
Thank you very much again, and I hope your food basket never empty. I hope your blessing keep on going. Thank you again.
More and more. And who else?
Chef, whoa,
Well,
chef.
whoa.
Come tap my daughter, come.
Yes.
Whoa, thing is. Esther Donna, thank you very much. You know, Sister Joni, of love, yeah. You know, holy for love and blessing. Yeah. You know, Esther Donna. I tell you, Jaja, spread for later on later, you know?
Yeah,
man. Thank you very much. Yeah?
More and more.
Yeah, man. Mama Joni.
More and more. So, where I say we have names for? Alright, and we have some books and them thing as well, so then we can put these towards the treat, you know, coming up in December, you know, for January treats. So everything is labeled, and we have Donna here, and we have Dream Team Kids, and we have JJ Book and Ball here, so you know we're going to drop this out to J.
Shania.
What that would that? Oh, from 2nd Street. Her name again is Chantel, right? And we have Miss Dassa. And we have Elder Denise as well, right? And we have more books and things. And what did you say? Patrick? Oh, that's where the rice come from. Put the next one there. And Sam. What that one there say? Kitchen. A Dream Team Kitchen. I think so. Yeah. What it say? I'm on the kitchen, Virgin Isle.
Dream Team Kitchen.
Kitchen. Yeah. Wow. That's for the kitchen. Virgin Isle.
No, man, this have to use in the kitchen, man. This can't be Virgin Isle, man. This have to use, you know? This use in the kitchen, man, like pancalalo, cabbage, look at chicken, so. Only patans and love, yeah.
Yeah.
Aisle for the kitchen, you know?
Aisle for the kitchen.
Yeah, man.
It's called Virgin Isle. Yeah, man. So we give a round of applause now, please. We give a round of applause. Daughters of Esther. As I said, we have to give thanks. You know, we have to give thanks. So this time we can go around and help out in the community, you know. Last week was ours. This time our work mode. You know, so we'll make sure we deliver this definitely today and make the worthwhile. Right? So we have napkin and toilet paper right here. You know, so remember this time if you want toilet tissue, you know, you can grab one here, you know, help yourself. The toilet tissue, because you know you have napkin there same way. We can help. Oh man, get that. Go on this. Come on, let's hold one for one. So you see the next spot there. What the next spot there? See the next spot there. I want it depend on me, man. What do you say? Baby? How old is again? Oh, Sam. You know, Sam's still at the hospital.
No, man.
The kids, them drinking kids at the upper the yard there. Dream Team Kids. So, they have the tissue them and thing. Yeah. So you know, it's not everyone here today. You know, most of the members them missing in action, who's on the road, you know, putting in them work to make ends meet. Dream Team? One team? You know, the only real team. So we're going to take on the road now and drop off these packages. You know. We have the own living hero. Oh, the road, they get a toilet paper and we go for the toilet. As a roll in, overstand. So we have a donation for you. as well too. From the other day, from Dr. K, from the Wow Chef place, New York. So we have $5,000 here for you. From Dr. K, from New York.
Dr. K.
Yeah, from New York.
From New York twice.
Twice.
So I have to say thank you twice. You understand?
Yeah.
Blessing, no respect. One team, but to keep it really. You understand?
Yeah. And the other day, each member get $1,000 each from Mike and Andrea from Canada. So this is $0,000 from Mike and Andrea from Canada.
Thank you. I may God continue to bless you and
Yeah.
keep you safe.
Every time. So we give thanks. More kids. Bagam bala. Big bala. Kids, what happened? How we have to cook today? Don't cook? I'm coming the right time, so my plate there. Are you cook today? So am I one day? I gotta take away your one, you know. What mean it done? You see not the plate me, you know. Come here, give me a plate. I wish I ramping. Give me a plate. I wish you run, Donna. I wish I ramping. She run. Donna. Oh, you on the rain? Oh, you on the rain, Donna? Oh, the bed never wet. Donna, we had to raise them fall here. So Donna, are them fall you cook right now? Are them you cook? Oh, come and say we drop 2 in the pot. So how is everything though, Donna? Turn that for me, please. How is everything?
Alright.
So we have some stuff here for you. We have daughters of Esther who send a barrel. So this got your name on the bag as well too. And we also got for the kids them as well too inside of it. So this is coming from daughters of Esther from the USA.
Daughters of Esther, big up on yourself and thanks for this token. And I hope your pocket never empty. You can help everybody just as how you help me. I'm going to pray every day for all of the extending family them who are trying to help me. I pray every day for you. Every time I shake my eyes and I pray. I pray for you. I pray for all some of you to get step up in our job. Our pocket can't empty. In the name of Jesus.
Yeah, so we give thanks. As you can see, the work still continue. And the build a barge now going on the road and thing. We're going to put in film work. As I say, everyone volunteer, you know. We could pay a barge, not natural for them time. You understand? So they have to go out there and make for them ends meet for them family as well too. You know, like how we are trying to make it work for you as well. You know, so we have to give thanks for Baja every time, you know, because I say him time is valuable and we really appreciate it, because without him it would have even more worse. You understand? Because you have to go 5 months to pay a bill for build a house, and you have to talk about how much money it costs for build a house, and then you could think there. So a lot of them weight they come off of the shoulder. You know, so we have to look into these things as well to sort of natural. You know, and even the members them, I don't know the members them know we cannot pay them on a daily wages, you know. So everybody volunteer to give them time, and that is that, you know. So you can make it be heard, and you know you can thank them, see me, because you know you always need the support.
Yeah, I'm thankful to the dream team them too for everything what them I do. Because if it wasn't for them, it wouldn't reach this so far. I'm thankful for you to Kino. Thank you for everything what you done for me. Because if it wasn't for you, dream team wouldn't make. And you started, and you going to finish it.
So if I continue, man, I will give thanks. So you have nephew, come here boy, come here. Your son, right? Alright. You have one shirt in the supposed to film size. Because she said nephew, and they drop out of the bag, take out the bag here. This one. This never, I think it drop out of the bag, so I think it come from India because there's a boy shirt inside of it.
Okay.
So you have to try, take it out. Just take it out to say for film size. I don't know if any mistake made.
Where is it?
That one is a shirt.
Which one, this?
Yeah.
Well, let's have one up.
Well, I can say for your size that. A film size. Yeah, so I guess it belongs in there with the two stuff in there as well too for the thing for the next two girls then. So I guess it's the right one. So you know, so we give thanks again from daughters and Esther's, and this is where Donna.
Give thanks to the daughters of Esther and all the extended family. Me I give thanks to the whole of Uno. All of Uno me I give thanks to for everything Uno do for me.
So this is Donna location. This is where Donna is thing. So yes, Donna. So you say, oh, you're on the rain.
Well, the water come from over the side. They just come on and hit the stove and come out, come straight out. As usual, right, that's always full of water. One I'm dropping at the house, got to put some trash here.
Okay, now rooftop.
Yeah, so you got the fridge there.
So right there, so never flood out like the last time?
No.
Okay.
And the water come from around the side, and so come on and the stove and the floor. So just make way for it come out.
Yeah, so look, you have the light for your phone, look like on the car. Come show me your talk to you.
What is something, girl? Yeah, the water come here, son, and come through there, son.
Oh.
And come on and make the stove there, son.
Oh, you come on the stove?
And run out.
So is it?
Go in the room now to show the back drops. Well, alright, so it's soak.
What, on the roof?
Yes, the rain of all this man here, so wet. So that drop this up. No. So we have to set one pan right there, so that if we're not there, rainfall. Right there, so we over the suitcase, we have to make sure we left one back there. When we are left, so only them two back there wet. And it drained down on the zinc right there, so. Otherwise, nowhere else, no wet.
Okay. So we always have to update the viewers them. So this is where Donna is living. This is Donna's room right here. You know, as you can see the condition of how Donna is living. So this is her room, different from the kids' room, which is over here. You know, because you know we always have to update on your situation and why we're building this place for you. You know, and help from the extended family. You know, so this is the reason why, and this is Donna's situation. So apparently this is the kids' room. And you have the light in there?
No light in there.
Oh, you're not putting a light in there?
Light in there, but the socket bust up, so we have to take it out.
Oh. We have a light out there now, you know. Yeah, so this is the kids' room. Yeah, you can see the outside from in here. So this is how the kids them is. So this is the room, you know, like a cardboard in the ceiling. This is a lot of cardboard in this ceiling. So this is the situation of Donna. So this is why we're asking for the support and the help, you know, for complete this project for Miss Donna, because as you can see the need, and there's so much need in Trenchtown. So this is one of them. This is what touched a lot of viewers in the first place. This is the reason why we've been helping out Donna's situation. Don't do that then. Yeah, so this is the situation as you can see. You know, it's very, very poor. You know, it's very, very poor. Donna is not working. You know, Donna have kids looking after. You have your kids and your brother kids. And your brother passed away, right?
Yes.
How much years now since he passed away?
7.
7 years. And how old is it? His daughter?
13 and his son 15 this next week.
Okay. And they've been looking out for them ever since, right? So this
one a 4 and one was 9. Okay, 1 a 4 and 1 was 6. Mm-hmm.
Okay. And that is the situation. So as you can see, people, it's not a comfortable situation for anyone to be living in, as you can see. And this is what caught the attention of a lot of the viewers them. So this is what we're trying our best, you know, to get any form of support we can get from Miss Donna, you know, to complete our project.
As you can see, yes sir, when rainfall water just coming like a river.
Oh yeah.
Part of the city, so.
Oh yeah, because you have a big hole there, so a couple of holes there so as well. So you have a couple of holes there so as well too. So the struggle is real, as you can see in Trenchtown, and Donna is not the first, you know, Donna is not the only one that I highlighted that you can see out there living inside of Trenchtown. You know, because a lot of people call me and never believe that people are still living like this in this time of age. So this is how it is, you know, this is the reality of how it is in the inner city. You know, this is the reality of it. You know, and we thank you so much already, you know, who's been supporting us on the journey. You know, we thank whoever is ready now to come on board, you know, to give a helping hand to make a change in other life. Because as you can see, it's not a happy situation living like this, you know, with kids and everything. So this is Donna's kitchen over here, you know, where Donna have her stuff them. So well, Donna, you gotta have kitchen, you know.
Yeah.
You definitely have kitchen, you definitely have something comfortable. You know, it might seem long, but you know, we cannot fight the time, and it's a process, and Almighty, when him says time, it's time. You understand?
God is on the job.
Alright, so from God is in the midst of everything, and knows everything is able. So we have to just have the faith, which is faith is patient. You know, everything take time.
Amen.
You know, and as I say, we're not the only one here. People see me and the overseas who's going through their situation. So we give thanks for them. See me if we make an effort, because we don't know what they're going through or what they're doing just for send $1 come.
Yes.
You know, so it's a huge difference as well from them. So each one help one, you know, that's what we're doing, you know. And that's what we should be doing, you know, helping each other if we can, while we can, on this universe. You know, that it's a genuine purpose, and we are continue to serve it. Donna, make a run now, because we have a couple of things to go and give out, you know.
Watch out now. You see, life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.